shame, cause we're back now. It's a shame. You thought the fire's gonna do the beat. It's a shame, cause we're here now.
Yo, you thought more fire crew was ready gonna go. More fire go on it wonders. No, Universal God, we made a little bit of dough. Made a little dough, then they kicked us out the door. I hate all, why you laughing for? Your skinny ass all ain't even through the door. Go round you and saying ain't the won't know. Shut up, the won't know. Shut up, the won't know. So more fire crew pioneers in the scene. Why top 10 bust the gangsta scene. Now everybody tryna make choose me. The older crew through thick and thin is still a team. I know you're wondering now where do we go? On one stage, no confidence to do a show, but I let you know that we're never gonna go. And I wanna let you haters know that
it's a shame.
You thought the fire's gonna do the beat.
It's a shame, cause we're back now. It's a shame.
You thought the fire's gonna do the beat.
It's a shame, cause we're here now.
We didn't mean to go, but now we are back. I'm hearing certain artists coming through and they are out. I don't mean to have a big hit, but it's a fact. Making you that don't make you move, and that is why. Now I show when you a side that you really don't know. Leaves for the puzzle, yeah, full of a lot of soul. With the new star, wonder how far I go. I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna keep on going. But I know you must be feeling, I know you must be screwing. I know you're pulling your hair, punching fish right on the ceiling. Success that's the feeling, success that's the meaning. It's someone who turn my tongue, I go right through that ceiling. You don't know how I feel, feeling really real. So say the thing I will.